Do you think dumbbells are only for biceps curls? What if I told you that just 5 dumbbell exercises could completely reshape your body? These exercises target every major muscle group, helping you build strength, burn fat, and achieve a balanced, athletic physique. The best part? They're simple, effective, and perfect for all ages. You can even do them at home. All you need is a pair of dumbbells, a mat, and a little dedication. Stick around. Let's get moving. Number 1. The Dumbbell Squat Press. Dumbbell squat and press is a calisthenics free weights and plyometrics that contributes to develop strength in your legs, lower back, hips, abdominal section, arms and shoulders. To do the dumbbell squat press, take a dumbbell in each hand and hold them up by your shoulders. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Squat down to a 90-degree angle and then stand back up. As you stand back up, press the dumbbells up over your head. Bring the weight back down to your shoulders. This completes 1 repetition. Remember, use the momentum of standing up to help you press the dumbbells upward. If you are a beginner, go either single dumbbell. If you feel that you are a tad more advanced, feel free to use 2 dumbbells at the same time. You can also modify it with barbell squat and press military, press shoulder press. Number 2. The Dumbbell Clean. The Dumbbell Clean is one of the best options to include in your strength training program. It works on the muscles from across the body, including your glutes, hamstrings, calves, biceps, quadriceps, triceps, deltoids, spinal erectors, and lower back muscles. Here is how to do it. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and your shoulders back, holding a dumbbell in each hand with a pronated grip in front of your thighs. Bend your knees slightly and hinge only a few inches, moving your hips back and sliding your dumbbells down your thighs. With momentum and power, straighten your knees and push your hips forward so that you are standing tall, while simultaneously lifting your heels off the ground, keeping your elbows high and bringing your dumbbells straight up toward your chin. Quickly bring your elbows to your side so that your dumbbells rotate and end up at your shoulders in a rack position. Then bring your heels back down to the ground, keeping your knees soft. Lower your dumbbells down to the starting position with control and complete the desired number of reps. Keep in mind that you can start with a lighter weight to practice the motion, but the movement should be done with a little momentum, so a heavier weight is usually needed. Once you've mastered the standard dumbbell clean, try dumbbell clean and press, kettlebell clean, dumbbell hang power clean, and single arm dumbbell clean. Number 3. The Dumbbell Renegade Row. The Dumbbell Renegade Row is full body exercise that simultaneously activate core muscles like the obliques, back muscles like the rhomboids, and arm muscles like the triceps. With proper form, Renegade rows can develop upper body strength while improving balance and stabilization. To do the Dumbbell Renegade Row, grab 2 dumbbells and get into an all-fours position with your toes. Hold 1 dumbbell in each hand. Place the dumbbells on the floor with 1 hand directly under each shoulder and the legs straight out behind about shoulder width apart. Start with the elbows bent and the chest down at the dumbbells. Keep the body straight and flat while pushing the arms into the dumbbells to straighten them into the top of the push-up position. At the top of the push-up, press the feet into the ground and pull the right hand up to bring weight to the chest. Keep the elbow close to the rib cage. Slowly lower the weight to the floor before pulling the left hand up toward the side of the trunk. After doing a row with each arm, slowly lower the body to the floor for the next push-up. Remember, always select a weight that allows you to have full control of your body throughout the movement. When performing any exercise, pay close attention to your body and don't allow the head to jut forward as you pull. Sticking to the traditional Renegade row without incorporating variations or exercise progressions can limit your progress. So you can also modify it with kettlebell renegade rows, feet elevated renegade rows, and one-arm renegade rows. Number 4. The dumbbell burpee. Burpees with dumbbells are a great all-round exercise and dynamic movement that work your cardiovascular fitness and strengthen the muscles of the chest, upper back, shoulders, and core. To do dumbbell burpee, stand with your feet hip-width apart, holding a dumbbell in each hand. Hinge at the hips and bend your knees, placing the dumbbells on the floor in front of your feet. Keep hold of the dumbbells throughout the movement. Press your hands into the dumbbell handles as you jump both legs into a plank position. Bend your elbows to lower your body to the floor in between the dumbbells. Push back through the dumbbells into a plank position. Jump both feet in so they're behind the dumbbells. Push through your feet and stand up with the dumbbells in your hands. Remember, use hex dumbbells rather than round dumbbells to stop them rolling during the movement. To make it more challenging, try dumbbell iron cross, single leg dumbbell deadlift, and dumbbell goblet squat. Number 5. The dumbbell around the world. The dumbbell, standing around the world, is a comprehensive upper body exercise that targets and strengthens your shoulders, arms, and upper back muscles. It enhances muscle definition and strength and injury prevention by promoting shoulder stability and mobility. Here is how to do it. Stand with your feet width apart and hold a dumbbell in both hands. Your arms should be fully extended, and the dumbbell should be in front of you, zrania slightly above shoulder height. Begin by slowly rotating your arms around your body in a circular motion. Keep your arms extended and the dumbbell close to your body. Throughout the movement, rotate your arms in a clockwise direction for 8 to 10 repetitions. Then rotate your arms in a counter-clockwise direction for 8 to 10 reps. Exhale as you rotate your arms in a clockwise direction. Inhale as you rotate your arms in a counterclockwise direction. Remember, don't lift on your own. And don't relax your abs. Maintaining your abs flexed to protect your spinal column by maintaining your internal pressure. To master up this exercise, try variations like front dumbbell around the world, lying dumbbell around the world, and single dumbbell around the world.